Hello friends, welcome to AYG Sensor Tech World YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to see about how to log into Kahoot. So let's get into the video. So first of all you have to know what is Kahoot. Kahoot is a game-based learning platform used as educational technology in schools and other educational institutions. Now we will see how to log into Kahoot. After installing Kahoot application, open the app. Click on Next. Now select your account type. Now enter your age and click on OK. This is the starting of this app. Now we have to log in into Kahoot. Click on the account symbol and click on Login. The login page opens. Click on Continue with Google. Now choose an account. Click on Login. Click on Continue and sign up. Now again choose your account type. Enter your date of birth. Click on Continue. Enter your username. Don't use your real name as username. Click on Continue. Finally, your account has created. Now you can participate in Kahoot quizzes. So in this way you have to log into Kahoot.